Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Mary and I'm doing a hand restoration. She has a little bit of volume depletion. Could you lift it here? You can see how you have the tendons and the veins are showing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go inside the little areas that she has here, and we're going to put in filling up the holes. Okay, now you can put, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, very good. You don't have to watch it. We're using a cannula technique, and we're going to try to put in as much as we can on these little holes. Okay, good. And then when we're finished, we're going to what we're going to do, we're going to massage it. That's it. Now we're going to go over here. Good. See how that was already done? I have difficulty. Can you lie down a little bit? Yeah, because I can't get my... Okay, perfect. We're going to do 1 syringe per hand. We're going to put a little bit here, a little bit there, and we're going to go like that. So that hole is taken care of. Perfect. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to smoosh it out. This particular hyaluronic acid, which is the Restylane Lyft, was approved for hand rejuvenation 2 months ago. Okay, you see already it's better. I think I can just get a little more. You can bring it on. Okay, good. Now a little bit more here. Karen looks very good. And she got her own show. I have to watch it.
You love her mind. The way she can explain this American history.
I could use more here.
I'm gonna go over there and get me the article.